Okay, here we're just going to put together a standard gate kit using gate styles. This one he's doing now is standard, so we have pre-cut the rails at 810 millimeters wide. This will give us a standard 910 single gate. Doing it 810 means we only use one sheet. Fits nice and tight. No matter what gate width you needed to use, you would just cut the rails simply 100 mil smaller than the gate required. Now he has it together, he'll proceed to screw it off. The reason we use the gate kits is they can be made on site at any width. No need for ordering anything non-standard and waiting for it to be ready. A great idea for the home DIY. There we have it, a standard single gate, 910 wide. Placing 2 screws into each gate style. There you go, 910 by 1800.